Today, we're stepping into the bedroom to learn some essential English vocabulary. The bedroom is a place where we relax and sleep, so it's full of common objects we see every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the names of 25 important items you can find in almost any bedroom. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, we have the most important piece of furniture in the bedroom. This is a bed. We sleep in a bed at night. The bed is very comfortable. Next, we have this soft item. This is a pillow. We rest our head on a pillow when we sleep. I like to sleep with 2 pillows. To keep us warm, we use this. This is a blanket. I cover myself with the blanket when it's cold. This blanket is made of wool. Now look at this large piece of furniture. This is a wardrobe. We hang our clothes in a wardrobe. My shirts are in the wardrobe. Over here, we have a place to work or study. This is a desk. I do my homework at my desk. There is a computer on the desk. To wake up in the morning, we use this. This is an alarm clock. The alarm clock rings at 7 a.m. I need to set my alarm clock. Under the blanket, we have this. This is a sheet. The sheet covers the mattress. I change the bed sheets every week. And what's under the sheet? This is a mattress. A good mattress is important for a good night's sleep. My mattress is very firm. Next to the bed, you'll often find this small table. This is a nightstand. I put my phone on the nightstand before I go to sleep. There's a book on the nightstand. To help us see when it's dark, we use this. This is a lamp. I turn on the lamp to read at night. The lamp is on the nightstand. On the floor, we have this. This is a rug. The rug makes the room feel cozy. My cat loves to sleep on the rug. To let in light and air, we have this. This is a window. I like to open the window for some fresh air. The sun is shining through the window. To cover the window for privacy or to block light, we use these. These are curtains. I close the curtains at night. The curtains match the color of the walls. Here is another piece of furniture for storing clothes, usually folded clothes. This is a dresser. I keep my socks and t-shirts in the dresser. The dresser has 6 drawers. To see our reflection, we use this. This is a mirror. I look in the mirror when I get ready in the morning. The mirror is hanging on the wall. This is how we enter and leave the room. This is a door. Please close the door behind you. The bedroom door is white. The room is made up of these. This is a wall. I have some pictures hanging on the wall. The walls are painted blue. If you look up, you will see this. This is the ceiling. The ceiling is usually painted white. There is a light fixture on the ceiling. If you look down, you will see this. This is the floor. The floor is made of wood. I need to clean the floor. To turn the lights on and off, we use this. This is a light switch. The light switch is next to the door. Can you flip the light switch? For decoration, we might have this on the wall. This is a painting. I love the beautiful painting in my bedroom. This painting is of a landscape. To tell the time, we can also have this. This is a clock. The clock on the wall is ticking softly. When we are at home, we wear these on our feet for comfort. These are slippers. My feet are cold, so I will put on my slippers. I have a pair of fluffy slippers. At night, we wear these to sleep. These are pajamas. I change into my pajamas before going to bed. My pajamas are very comfortable. Finally, to store our books, we use this. This is a bookshelf. I have many books on my bookshelf. The bookshelf is full of stories. Great job, everyone! Let's do a quick review of all the words we learned today. Are you ready? Let's go! Bed, pillow, blanket, wardrobe, desk, alarm clock, sheet, mattress, nightstand, lamp, rug, window, curtains, dresser, mirror, door, wall, ceiling, floor, light switch, painting, clock, slippers, pajamas, and bookshelf. Wow, that was a lot of new words. 25 new words for your English vocabulary. How many did you remember? Don't worry if you didn't get them all on the first try. Repetition is key to learning a new language. Thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Try to look around your own bedroom and name the objects you see. Practice using them in sentences. The more you practice, the easier it will become. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.